What is that? Look, 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 look. Taste it. Taste, buddy. Okay, no, wait. Taste it. Go ahead, get it in your mouth. He's not swallowing.
Okay, there he goes.
Let's see. Can you get it in? What's that? What is that? Oh, there you go. Look, Mace. He's eating his first cereal, right?
Can I do it now?
Okay. Let's see. All right. Well, see, you can't let him get it though. You gotta be sneaky about it. Oh. Okay. No. He'll push it in too far. All right. Mommy has to do it because he's gonna.
We're gonna share together.
Okay. Let's see.
We're gonna share all, Mommy.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Connor? Where's your cereal? Where's your cereal? Are you gonna eat it?
I think
He's just letting it sit in his mouth. Oh. He doesn't know what to do with it.
Put your head back and make it go down.
Leave his head, buddy.
What happened?
Oh. That's it. No big surprise.